Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at the vintage 90s Lorus Minnie Mouse watch.
If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches.
That is powered by a quartz movement. As you can see, we have placed the watch on a brand new leather watch strap, which complements the watch a lot. As you can see, we have Minnie Mouse depicted on the dial. We have the classic moving hands of Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse, which are the actual hands of the watch. Then we have a second hand, as you can see right here. Then we have Disney and Lorus quartz written. It is a Japanese movement. So Lorus is made by Seiko. You can actually get that premium quartz movement in these watches, which are very collectible. The classic 90s Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse watches. As you can see, we have a lot of variations with Minnie, Mikey, with the silver tone case or with the gold tone case. We also have a few musical watches. As you can see right here, we have the Lorus musical watch. If you press this button, it will actually play a song. So guys, this watch and all the other watches that you see in our videos can be purchased on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So that was the video guys. I hope you enjoyed. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.